What's going on, everyone? How are you doing today? Guess what? It's Friday. We took the day off again. It's Memorial Day weekend. Today we're going to be going out to Passage Key. Now, Passage Key, we have not been there before. We've heard a lot of good things about Passage Key. It's located just between Egmont and Anna Maria Island. It's a bird sanctuary, and it's also a place that's clothing optional. So hopefully we don't see any dongs or anything like that, but but it's supposed to be clothing optional, so we're gonna check it out. So where it's located at, you know, it's right there, kind of like at the mouth of Tampa Bay. So the currents, you know, all the water coming in and out, the water's supposed to be really clear there. It's supposed to be kind of like the Bahamas. Plus, you know, we're in May. May is really one of the best times of the year. We have the best visibility here. Water temperature was 82 degrees.
I thought it was 84.
84?
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, so water temperatures in the 80s. It's going to be nice. So we're going to head out to Passage Key. We got the drone back, so we'll be able to throw up some drone footage. So you might see some butts or something. We'll see. We got the grill. We're gonna hook that up. We're gonna be grilling up some burgers. We got the mimosas. We got the White Claws. All that good stuff. So it's gonna be a great day on the water. Like I said, it's Friday. Looking forward to it. Just, you know, relaxing and having a good time. And Kim's got some good news. She's going to share that with you guys later on in the video, so make sure you watch to the end.
Just out here on the water again, doing what we love. It's looking like it's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be lovely. It's pretty flat. Yeah, it's going to be ideal. Water temperature is finally at a place where I'm probably going to be on my floaty, floating around in the big old bathtub. Yeah. And hey, thanks for coming along for the ride. Yeah. We'll see you out on the water.
So we're approaching Passage Key right now. We've not been here before, so I know there's some shallow areas. So Kim is looking at the Garmin, checking her depth. I already got our stern anchor ready. Let me show you guys. So I'm not sure where we're gonna anchor yet. I believe one side is more nude than the other. So we're gonna figure this out. I do see there's some boats there and stuff, but supposedly it's a bird sanctuary. You're not supposed to go on land. You know, your feet have to be wet, but we're gonna figure all this out. So we could go wherever too. We don't have to be by those other boats. What's the depth now?
Right now we're at 11, but if you look right here, the one starts like immediately.
All right, so yeah, try to aim for over in there. How's that? Sound good? Yeah, and this kind of idle up there. Yeah, this water is really clear. All right, so we are finishing up my mimosa hour. Ooh, shoot, now I gotta wash that. Yeah, I do like that, what you did there with the red and the...
Oh yeah, I just mixed up a couple of my suits.
Be festive for this holiday weekend. Passage Key, it's a little bit busier. Let me show you guys here real quick. We did see a shark in the water swim by, which was kind of cool. But I mean, the water is nice, and the water is really clear here. But yeah, you just got people pulling up. Well, this is nice. Definitely, if you are in the Tampa Bay area and you're looking for a spot, definitely check out Passage Key here, because there are there are families. There's a little bit of everybody here, and the water is really clear. It's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna finish up these mimosas. I'll talk to y'all in a bit. All right, so we've got the drone. We're gonna be more careful this time. I'm gonna try launching it from my hand.
Hold point updated.
So I'm gonna go like this. So she's ready. And we're throw it up.
Whoa, you did that fast.
Oh.
It's all right.
So, all right, so now we're up. Humble updated. So now, cool. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys Passage Key, but from the drone. So I'm flying the drone here, and we just had our first couple pull up naked over there. They're off in the distance. So I think that's pretty cool. I think that's cool. I mean, they're just showing up like
dog naked, taking out the anchor or whatever she was doing. They were completely uninhibited. I wish the sun was still out. Your drone footage would be better.
Yeah, it would.
Better, was prettier.
So yeah, he's just navigating the boat, dong out. She's out there getting the anchor. Sun's out, buns out. So hey, I think that's cool. You know that they're doing that. They're just that's pretty cool, because he's just driving around right now. So he's up there on that turquoise boat.
They were totally naked.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I looked over. So that's cool. So
I think they're trolling, looking for naked people.
oh yeah, be like, hey y'all, yeah, because I'm sure if we were naked, they'd probably pulled up, been like, hey, what y'all up to? What's going on there? So we got our drone. Cool. So all right, let me fly this drone. I gotta be careful, because I'm not crashing this thing again. I'm gonna get some footage here. All right, here we go. We're getting ready. It's hamburger time. So we were kind of level here. Let that heat up for just a smidge, and we're gonna throw those burgers on there. Shoot, that is hot. I'm gonna turn that down a smidge. That is hot.
Look at this.
So you got to turn it to you, like when you're talking now.
I don't need it on me.
Well, because of the microphone. So if you're talking, that's all. What's up? What's her name? Cool. Burgers. Yeah, that was hot. Did it just turn out? Oh shoot.
It went out?
Yeah, hold it for me.
Oh. Normally we're like charcoal people, but you don't want charcoal by your boat.
There's no place to charcoal though.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you wouldn't want to do it on your boat, because you could burn holes in your boat or whatever. But
I've heard of this it blowing out though before. Yeah. So there we go. On there, but yeah, she's hot.
yeah.
cool. Those burgers are almost done. Here, bring this guy back. Come forward. We got Burger Cam. So we'll get him going. It's gonna be cheese time, and these boys are gonna be done. This is gonna be you. There. And you have bacon, right? You want bacon? Two crispy pieces of bacon for you. This one for moi. Cool. Some more bacon, bacon, bacon. Actually, you get another piece. The world famous Passage Key Burger. Look at that.
It's crazy.
That is crazy. All right, can you stuff all that in your mouth?
I'm gonna try. Ooh, look at that. Shoot. Oh, the juice coming out. All right.
All right, go ahead and get it. All right, so I'm gonna eat this. Let me get a bite of this boy here. Oh shoot.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. We're gonna eat these burgers. I gotta put the camera down for this. This is good. This is a good burger. Talk to y'all in a bit. All right. So we just finished up those burgers. We've still been chilling here at Passage Key. It's about 3 o'clock, left of 3, so it's still looking good here. We've got more people pulling up. Go. Check 1, check 1, 2, check 1, 2. We're getting ready to wrap it up here at Passage Key. It's been a wonderful day. I'm glad they finally decided to come out here. This is a really nice area. Highly recommended if you're renting a boat or you're boating in the Tampa Bay area. Check out Passage Key. As far as people being nude, there wasn't a whole bunch. We saw, I'd probably say at least 3 couples that were nude. Like this one, the first couple that came up, they just pulled up. They were coming in, you know, the dude's like navigating the boat, wifey's on the ready with the anchor, naked, you know, so it was really cool. Saw a couple other people just like walking up there, and they were just like talking to some other people with their clothes on, but for the most part, you know, most of the people, you know, do have clothes on. So you might see a couple people that, you know, who are nude, but for the most part, nice area, clear water. We got some nice breeze going. Great place to chill. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let you talk to Kim, and she's gonna tell you about that news that we've got going on here that we've wanted to share with you for a minute now. And action.
What's up, everyone? Guess what? We are finally fully monetized. We want to thank everyone who's been tuning in and hanging out with us. That's what it's about, hanging out with us. We hope that there's a whole bunch more for you to see and that you'll come along with us. We love you. Peace.
Cut. That was good. We're fully monetized. You know, that's why we got the bags of cash. There we go. There we go. Look at all that paper. Fully monetized. Thank you guys. You guys made this happen. You know, we couldn't have done it without you. So really appreciate it. Watching those videos, liking those videos, commenting, subscribing, getting paid here. I mean, we gotta go to the bank with all these bags of cash. All this bags of cash. So we've done it. Whoops, stepping on your foot. But yeah. Just bringing you guys with us out here on the boat. Hopefully we can inspire you to do the same. Get that boat if you don't have a boat, or if you do have a boat, get out there, get on the water, and just enjoy it. This is what we do. We're very passionate about this. We enjoy sharing this with you. So we look forward to making more videos, and we're gonna see y'all in the next one.